Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. I'm back again with another video. Me say the place turn up. Me say my wisdom warriors. I am so overwhelmed. I am so overjoyed just to see the people. When me telling us that the place packing, man. When me telling us that the place packing, man. I am so proud. My wisdom warriors, I am so proud right now. Me I say, me nah hear the labor right there. I want them there. How them quiet, sir. Labor right. Gather over here. Oh, no, so quiet. Hey, you know, something I like when no quiet. Me like when no chat off on the mouth. Yeah, me love when no chat off on the mouth. Bad. Come and talk about this. Come and talk about this. Only one and two on me say run out. One and two on me say run out to talk about PNP a criminal party. Uno not have nothing to say. Uno just not have nothing to say. Uno just, Lord Jesus, school sort of wash uno. Uno think uno see nothing yet. Andrew Wellness, time come. You need to call election, a general election. We say call it no. Call it no. I know you're afraid. You think you're afraid yet? I know you're afraid. My wisdom warriors, uno not see the crowd, my people. Uno no see the crowd. Me say when me look at Isaac that me see. When me look at Vibes Cartel that me see. When me look at one Maroon Chief, me said I done it done. I done it done. The labor right them. Uno better go sit down. Pan. Go sit down. Time come. My wisdom warriors, take a look at this. My wisdom warriors, uno see that? Uno see that? Me say, God Jesus, uno see when they did well early, it's only a ticky labor right come out, uno know so Jamaican people not always, they always late. Uno know say at 10 o'clock the conference start. Hear them now. What a way skanky. Come talk about it, labor right. Uno can't talk about the conference here. No matter how no try to slow we down, no matter how the police them did their search, which at first me see them do these things. Yeah, uno still can't slow down the PNP. Uno can't slow down the PNP. PNP come fi take it. PNP come fi take what the title from Andrew Wellness. Cause Andrew Wellness can't handle this a title, yeah. Matter of fact, Andrew Wellness fi disqualified from the title of being a prime minister. Yeah, the real prime minister is Mark Jefferson Golden, whether on the labor right like it, yes or not. But guess what? You better only listen to me and do a jump on the wagon. Jump on the wagon, labor right. Jump on the wagon if you no want good, if you no want better. Jump on the wagon. Left the Obia train. Me say, uno feel left the Obia train. My wisdom warriors, me say me excited so till. Me excited so till me say, you know what, me say, God, You see how we come out. You see how we talk from our heart, God. You see the pain where the people them are go through. You see the plans and the plot where Andrew Wellness have for Jamaica. And me I tell you, God a answer with prayer, you know, man. God a answer with prayer, you know, man. My wisdom warriors, Lord Jesus, me feel so good. When me tell you, say me feel so good. Me I listen to some on a voice note in the wisdom warriors group there. And me I tell you say, make me there. The way you all so happy and excited, a pure laugh, me I laugh. Me say a pure laugh things are going all over my face. Just for, you know, una na argue about anything, una na argue about Andrew Wallace, una just una just overwhelmed of the whole thing that is going on. Look how the place packed, man. Outside turn right up. And listen, me I talk about before cartel come, cartel no reach it. Inside pack the place ram up. My wisdom warriors, and we the people do this, you know. We the people, you know. And we do this, you know, my wisdom warriors. You know why? Because we want better for ourselves. We want better for our children. And we want better for Jamaica. And we are do this, and we still a win, no matter what them a do, no matter how much obia them a fling, and we still a win, my wisdom warriors, because guess what? A God we put first, you know. Yeah, man, a God we put first, and from we put God first, you know, say, you know the things that already. Done it done, my wisdom warriors, taking this. Uno see that, my wisdom warriors. Uno see your outside look. Blouse and skirt. Me say me glad bag bus. When me tell you say me glad bag bus up. It bus up me excited so till. Lord Jesus. May God give me this continuous joy. Me I tell you now. Hey, remember say enough time me come, you know, and cuss and galang bad pan the labor right, you know. Yes, man, so when you see me laughing, man, I'm happy. Me I feel happy. We have to happy, comrades. We have to happy. Who that just roll in? Uno just guess for me there. Who that just roll in? One Maroon Chief.
Hold on there! The Maroon boss there! The Maroon boss there! Watch the Maroon boss there! I said no cannot there!
You no afraid of no bullbuck, no dopey gangster. Go for your arm. Bad with bad Gaza, bad with bad. Bad with bad Gaza, bad with bad. Black foot, we are real bad man, them a camouflage. Me no take intimidation.
Outside that you are looking at, I know you think outside it look good, but outside is looking good as well. Comrades, make we say power, power.
Make the trumpets play.
We're ready. We're ready. We're ready. Yes, comrades. Give him way as Marky G enters the national arena. Yes, comrades. This is it.
People are really still up. So let me see your hands up, so every Jamaican, put your hands up, so time from that we know on your mark set go golden. You're ready for the road. Hey, golden, you're ready for the road. Marky G, I know you are champion. Everybody wave on your right hand. Put up your fist. Hey, Marky G, we don't know, so none of them not like me. See them all hype. Stand digga digga ding dang digga digga ding dang digga digga ding dang dang. Marky G, I know you are champion. Everybody wave on your right hand. Put up your fist. Hey, Marky G, we don't know, so none of them not like me. See them all hype up, but that's still not spite me. Rolling up, cut and got through because I love in our heart. And none of them care. Hey, Marky G, me don't know, so none of them not like me. So me like to stand up with them face it all me like it. Make them know what we buy with things that we no listen all fool. And none of them care. Oh, Marky G, now watch the face, car we don't try the case. Tell them, them can't help me. Tell them say how we run the place, plus machine from the base. Marky G, a millionaire from him at 20. Tell them to stop watch me clothes, stop watch me guy, stop watch me pose and me politics style. Stop watch me nose, stop watch me file. And they go with a hypocrite smile. Marky G, me don't know, so none of them not like me. See them all hype, but that's still not spite me. I am in the place, you know. That's all, boy. Yeah, man. You have the confidence in our victory. Them boy, they fear the culture.
Comrades.
A vulture.
My wisdom warriors, pull up, pull up. Me say the place, up it, up it, up it, up it, up. Wanna hear that? Marky G, that ramp, you know. Wanna hear Beanie Man tune? Box cover, me love it, me love it, me love it. Me I tell you no man, me excited. I'm overwhelmed. I'm so happy. Mighty God of Daniel, me love it, man. It's a good look PNP. Me love the way you come out on show the labor right them, so you mean business. Me love it, man. Just like and share, guys. Like and share, like and share, like and share. Like and share and subscribe to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Blessings upon blessings. One love.